Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the network days. So most often when you are working with date and time in Excel, you are supposed to get the number of days. But most often when you are working with the employment data or when you are working with some attendance data, then you are supposed to get the working days. And the working days will be calculated based on the weekdays on which the employee is working. For some of the employees, the working days might be Monday to Saturday, while for some of the employees, the working days can be from Monday to Friday. So, in order to get the working days, you can use this network days function in Excel. And in our example, we are supposed to find out the working days of the employee in the month. So, before we go ahead and write the network days function, let's discuss a little bit more in detail about this network days. So the Excel network days function calculates the number of working days between two specific dates, and it will automatically excludes the weekends, which is Saturday and Sunday, and you can also optionally exclude a list of holidays supplied as a dates. So suppose within this month June there are 2 or 3 extra holidays or a national holiday or a public holiday, and you want to exclude it from your working days, then you can add those two dates as a list of holidays, and this network days will not consider those two dates as a working dates, even though if it's Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So the purpose of this network days is to get the number of working days between two specific dates, and it has 3 arguments: start date, end date, and holidays as a list. So the start date will be the starting of the month, end date will be the end date that you were supposed to provide, and the holidays is the optional argument, which is basically a list of non-working days as dates in that specific month. So let's go and see. For example, I have here employee data and I need to find out the working days of this particular employee. So Saturday, Sunday is already a holiday, but within June we are supposed to provide these days as holidays also. So what we can do is that we can basically use this network days, okay, and the first argument it's asking is the start date, so we'll put start date as this, then the end date will be this, okay, and then we'll press enter, and you can see there are 22 working days excluding the Saturdays and Sundays in June 2021. Now suppose we have a particular date which we want to exclude from our working day because it is a national holiday or public holiday. So let's take one day here. For example, this starting of the month day, 1st June plus 3, which is 4th, okay, and we want to exclude this 4th from our working day. Then what we can do here is that we can put comma and then we'll put this particular date. Now you are getting 21 days. Earlier you were getting 22 as your working days. So let's track this formula, and here you can see that you have a list of working days based on the start date and the end date that has been provided. So this is how you can use the network days to calculate the number of working days between the two dates, and you can also use a list of holidays within this function as an argument that has to be excluded as a working days.